Sheikh, my question is, what is your advice to people who say that if you read Hadith and Quran from translation in your language directly, you will be astray or you will become gumrah? So,
You will become
Jazakallah
what?
khair. You will lead astray.
Okay. First of all, Allah Azza wa Jal said in the Quran, فَاتَّقُوا اللَّهَ مَا اسْتَطَعْتُمْ. Fear Allah to the best of your ability. So if this is the best of my ability, I don't speak Arabic, I don't speak English, I don't speak German or French, and the only book of tafsir or the translation of the meanings of the Holy Quran or the Noble Quran and of the Sunnah are found in Tamil or in Urdu. And you're telling me if I read it, I'll go astray, so what should I do? Just look at the stars and do nothing? No, this is totally bogus. And whoever says this wants you to remain in the state of ignorance till the day you die. I always say this to my congregation. I went once to, I think, maybe the Red Mosque, or I don't know what color it was, somewhere in India. And I went to pray Jumu'ah there. And mashallah, the masjid was packed. And the Imam came, and he was like maybe 150 years old. Something, whoa. So, and I'm getting there. So I'm not making fun of old people. I'm already half that age. So he went in, he delivered the khutbah. Now, I'm an Arab. I did not understand a word of what he said except, Alhamdulillah, wa salatu wa Rasulillah. He was reading from a book. And you could see flies coming out of it. It was an ancient book, and probably he read it like a gazillion times. And I was looking around, and everybody else could not understand a word. And the guy gave 2 khutbahs, and he started the prayer. Now, I didn't understand the khutbah. Those natives did not understand the khutbah. So the most likely, the Imam was the only one who understood it, and I'm really doubtful if he did understand what he read. What is the use of Friday khutbah if it's wasted like this once a week and no one understands anything and no one gets the messages of this beautiful religion? This is why I say, when you are in a country that don't speak Arabic, don't give your khutbah in Arabic. Just say the shahadatain, ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa anna Muhammadan Rasulullah, and recite an ayah, ya ayyuhalladhina amanu ittaqullaha haqqa tuqatihi wa la tamutunna illa wa antum muslimun. And then go ahead and speak in the native language of the country, or in English, where everybody understands and benefits and learn their religion, rather than just reading something that nobody understands what you're reading. And Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.